Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be sharing my Cantonese-style braised pork ribs with carrots and potatoes. I used an Instant Pot for this recipe, making it super easy to make. Let's get started. Start by mincing the garlic. Next, cut a few slices of ginger. Now chop some shallots or onions, whatever you have at home. Now cut the carrots into small pieces. Same with the potatoes. For the ribs, cut right in between the bones. Now place the ribs into a pot of cold water. Cover and turn on high. Once you see the nasty stuff, pour out the water and wash thoroughly. To prepare the sauce, use Legumgay's Juho sauce. Next, we will use the Hoisin sauce from Legumgay. Now add some oyster sauce, also from Legumgay. Legumgay, please sponsor me. Now add some 5-spice powder, white pepper, and sugar. Mix well. Now let's set the Instant Pot on the saute function. Add some oil and fry the shallots and ginger. If there isn't enough oil, then add some more. Next, add the garlic, now we can add the ribs. Add a splash of cooking wine. Now let's add the sauce and stir fry until aromatic. Now add some water. And add some light soy sauce. Now close the lid and set it on the meat function for 22 minutes. After it's done, release the pressure valve and take out the ribs. Now add the carrots and potatoes and set on 5 minutes. I know what you're thinking. 5 minutes can't possibly be enough. Here's the thing, I've done hours and hours of calculations. 5 minutes is the time that it's under high pressure, but it takes additional time to get up to that temperature, meaning that the carrots and potatoes are actually cooking for longer than 5 minutes. So 5 minutes is actually the perfect amount of time. Once it's done, release the pressure valve and take out the carrots and potatoes. Then, switch to the saute function to reduce the sauce. Keep reducing the sauce until thick. Once the sauce is thick enough, add the ribs back in and turn off the heat. Lastly, we can plate and make it look Michelin. This hearty dish pairs perfectly with a bowl of rice.